hand gesture control.
This is how it works.
When all fingers are up, all the bulbs glow, and when one finger goes down, one bulb goes down, and when three fingers go down, all the bulbs go down.
Show me lively. You can see this light camera
and viewing by LiDAR object.
First, British QR code. When we show British QR code, the door opens, so it is access granted. After 5 seconds, it is automatically closed.
As you can see, we have set up a desktop here, and on top of it we have a camera. So the camera is now showing Sivashree's face, and you can see that Sivashree's name is written on top of it. That means the camera is recognizing her face. But if any other person than Sivashree sits in front of the camera, so when I'm sitting here, it's showing unknown. And data set, we have to create a new folder, name for the new folder, copy it, and we have to go to headshot PyCam, and we have to replace the name and run the program.
As you can see, the camera is connected. Now, it shows different kinds of objects in a rectangular form. As you can see, it is detecting different kinds of objects. It detects a watch, a cell phone, and many different objects, like a chair too.
You can also see our names are being shown by the help of the webcam and because of the data feed in this laptop.
The microphone and then recognizes human audio.
And then it converts text into speech.
And at last, it processes the command, converts the text into speech, and gives the output to the user.
And now we want to show practical in this computer. What is the date and time?
Current time is 3:36 p.m.
Play a joke.
Playing a joke.
So, in this way, it works. And
then you will find some classes, class 1, class 2 and class 3. In that classes, we have to put our names. Like when I will put in class 1 Vedant, so I will take some photos of Vedant, and then when I will tell the machine to teach it. Now I would like to call Vedant so he can explain you how it works.
We have to take some photos, and we should feed in class 1, class 2 and class 3. Then we have to train the module.
This one. And it detected my name.
It is fire. So I just put a picture on my mobile. I will just take this picture in front of the webcam, and you will able to see how it reacts. So if I just take in front of the webcam, you can see that red LED that blink and buzzer start giving the warning. At the same time, if you just see on the screen, okay, on the screen also it's showing 100% fire indication, and this character also showing fire. Green LED switching on, and when you remove the helmet, just remove the helmet. The red LED gets switched on. At the same time, the screen also it's showing 100% that helmet mode. Yeah. At the same time, here also the avatar showing here, wear your helmet. So at the same time, we are getting both the data, wear your helmet and text also on the screen also, and actuator on the right.
Object detector. This is used to detect object. This is a carrot.